Heavy rains and strong winds forecast for Thailand and Andaman Sea. Weather update for September 13 to 17, 2024. Heavy rains and strong winds expected in Thailand and Andaman Sea. Weather forecast 13 to 17 September 2024. Weather overview. From 13 to the 17th of September 2024, a monsoon trough is expected to extend across lower North Thailand, upper Central Thailand, and Northeast Thailand, reaching into a low-pressure system over central Vietnam. The trough will also stretch from the upper north and northeast to the low-pressure area over northern Vietnam and Tonkin Bay. The southwest monsoon will moderate over the Andaman Sea, Thailand, and the Gulf of Thailand. Rainfall and flooding risk. Heavy to very heavy rains are anticipated in the northeast, with isolated heavy rains expected in the north, central region, east, including Bangkok and its vicinity, and south. Residents in these areas should be cautious of heavy rains and potential flooding, particularly in foothill areas, near waterways, and lowlands. Flash floods and overflow conditions may develop. Wind and sea conditions. In the Andaman Sea and the Gulf of Thailand, waves are expected to reach 1 to 2 meters in height, with waves exceeding 2 meters during thunderstorms. Mariners are advised to exercise caution and avoid thunderstorms. Weather forecast 14 to 17 September 2024. During this period, the monsoon trough will shift to lie across the north, upper central, and northeast Thailand, with the southwest monsoon strengthening over the upper Andaman Sea, Thailand, and the upper Gulf of Thailand. Increased rainfall, including heavy to very heavy showers, is expected. Wind and wave conditions will intensify, with waves reaching 2 to 3 meters in the Andaman Sea and upper Gulf, and over 3 meters during thunderstorms. In the lower Gulf, waves may exceed 2 meters. Regional forecasts. Northern Thailand, the 13th of September 2024. Scattered thundershowers and isolated heavy rains in Tak, Kamphaeng Phet, Phuket, Phitsanulok, and Phetchabun. Minimum temperatures 23 to 25 degrees Celsius, maximum temperatures 29 to 34 degrees Celsius. Southwesterly winds at 10 to 15 kilometers per hour. Northeastern Thailand, widespread thundershowers with isolated heavy rains in Loei, Nong Khai, Bueng Khan, Nong Bua Lamphu, Udon Thani, Sarkan Nakan, Nakan Phanam, Mukdahan, Yasathan, Kalasin, Kon Keen, Chayafam, Nakan Ratchasima, Roi It, Amnit Charawen, Beriram, Surin, Sisikit, and Ubon Ratchathani. Minimum temperatures 23 to 25 degrees Celsius, maximum temperatures 30 to 34 degrees Celsius. Southwesterly winds at 10 to 20 kilometers per hour. Central Thailand, scattered thundershowers and isolated heavy rains in Nakhon Sawan, Utai Thani, Chai Nat, Phra Nakhon Sai Iathe, Lopburi, Saraburi, Kanchanaburi, Nakhon Pathom, Ratchaburi, Samut Songkram, and Samut Sakan. Minimum temperatures 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, maximum temperatures 33 to 35 degrees Celsius. Southwesterly winds at 10 to 20 kilometers per hour. Eastern Thailand, fairly widespread thundershowers and isolated heavy rains in Nakhon Nayok, Prashin Buri, Chakoeng Se, Sakio, Konburi, Rayong, Chanthaburi, and Trat. Minimum temperatures 24 to 27 degrees Celsius, maximum temperatures 32 to 34 degrees Celsius. Southwesterly winds at 15 to 35 kilometers per hour, wave height 1 to 2 meters, exceeding 2 meters in thunderstorms. Southern Thailand, east coast scattered thundershowers mainly in Phetchaburi, Prachwap Kiri Khan, Chumphan, Surop Thoni, Nakhon Sai Thamarat, and Songkhla. Minimum temperatures 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, maximum temperatures 32 to 34 degrees Celsius. Southwesterly winds at 15 to 35 kilometers per hour, wave height 1 to 2 meters, exceeding 2 meters in thunderstorms. Southern Thailand, west coast fairly widespread thundershowers and isolated heavy rains in Ranong, Phang Ngo, Phuket, Krabi, Trang, and Saturn. Minimum temperatures 24 to 26 degrees Celsius, maximum temperatures 30 to 33 degrees Celsius. Southwesterly winds at 15 to 35 kilometers per hour, wave height 1 to 2 meters, exceeding 2 meters in thunderstorms. Thank you for tuning in. For the latest weather updates, don't forget to like and subscribe. Wishing you a wonderful day ahead.